Okay, students, good morning once again. Okay, next one is the hydrolysis of ester. It gives acetic acid and alcohols. For the given data, rate of forward and backward reaction is 2 into 10 power minus 2 and 4 into 10 power minus 4. Then find the Kc, means equilibrium constant. Students, you know that Kc means equilibrium constant equals to rate of forward reaction by rate of backward reaction. That is one of the formula. Where you know that Kf means that is a forward constant 2 into 10 power minus 2. Where in the given data, backward reaction 4 into 10 power minus 4. Where cancel will be 2 1s are 2 2s are into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 2. Remaining 10 power minus 2 is there. In this 10 power minus 2 is came to the upward direction, where 1 by 2 into 10 square, where 10 square is nothing but 100, where 2 1s are 2 50s are, that is came 50. Students, clear my point or not? Okay, and the next one is the example, one more example question. N2 plus 3H2 is given as to 2NH3. Is if concentration of N2 and H2 and NH3 are respectively 0.5 and 1 molar and 2 molar. Students, then find the Kc, means equilibrium constant. Students, in the concentration respectively belongs to nitrogen is 0.5, hydrogen is 1 molar and NH3 is ammonia is the 2 molar. Where Kc is equal to, in the above reaction to write the Kc, where Kc is equal to concentration of ammonia and concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen, where their coefficients raised on the power, where NH3 whole square by N2 into H2 whole power 3. Students, in the concentration of NH3, what value is there? 2, where 2 whole power 2 by, students, in the N2 concentration of N2 is 0.5, where 0.5 into, where concentration of H2 is the whole power, 1 whole power 3, where 2 square is nothing but 4 and 0.5 into 1 into 1 into 1, where 0.5 into 1, where 4 by 0.5. We have getting in multiple division with 10, where 10 by 10, 40 by 5. After calculation you have getting 5 1s are 5 8s are, that is the value is the 8. Students, one more example is given based on the partial pressure, where partial pressures of H2, I2, HA are is given 0.5 atmosphere is belongs to the H2, where 1 atmosphere is belongs to the I2 and 2 atmosphere is belongs to the hydrogen iodide, and find the equilibrium constant for the reaction, where reaction is the H2 plus I2 is given as to 2HA. Students, in the equilibrium pressure constant Kp, where Kp is equal to partial pressure of product 2 by partial pressure of reactant, already you know that, already discussed about that, where partial pressure of HI whole power 2 by partial pressure of H2 into partial pressure of Phi2. That is in the above reaction to write the only in terms of partial pressure. Students, in the partial pressure of HA, what is the value now? Only 2 is there. That is the 2 whole power 2 by students in the partial pressure of H2. What is the value now? Partial pressure of H2 like 0.5, where 0.5, and partial pressure of Phi2, that is the value of Phi2 is the only 1. Students, again comes, that is the 2 square is the 4 by 0.5 into 1, that is the 0.5, where again same multiple and division with 10, where 10 by 10, 40 by 5, where 40 by 5 means how comes again 8. Students, clear my point or not? Okay, one more example in the based on relation between Kp and Kc. Okay, students, find the for the reaction N2 plus 3H2 is given as to 2NH3 is given data if Kp is equal to 2 into 10 power 5 atmosphere, that is the equilibrium pressure constant. And one more, student, then they find the Kc for the reaction at 300 Kelvin only. Okay, students, you know the relation between Kp and Kc. Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N, where in the reaction delta N is the where number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. Students, already you know that, where delta N is equal to like 2 minus like 3 plus 1, that is a 4, where 2 minus 4 is the minus 2, where you know that Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. Students, where Kc RT delta N means minus 2, that minus t is the transfer this side, where Kp into RT whole square, Kp into RT whole square, overally Kc is equal to Kp RT whole square. Students, in the Kp means equilibrium pressure constant is given 2 into 10 power 5 atmosphere. Students, in the term R is the ideal gas constant, have indicated to the only Kp is given atmosphere, so R values must be taken in terms of atmosphere, so 0.081 atmosphere. Students, in the temperature already is given, provide temperature, that is of 300 Kelvin, and overall whole square. Why? Because also RT whole square, where R is the 0.081 and T is the temperature, and whole square. After calculation 2 into 10 power 5, after implication have getting 24 whole square, where 2 into 10 power 5 into 24 square means that is we have getting 576. After overall calculation you have getting 1152 into 10 power 5, that is the equilibrium constant Kc. Students, clear my point or not? That is only based on the 4 problems, or based on the given respective problem formulas. Clear my point, or students? Okay, next. Okay, students, next one is next one more concept is factors affecting the Kp or Kc, means equilibrium constants for concentration or pressure. Okay, first one in the Kc means equilibrium constant for concentration or Kp will not change with the time. Okay, means completely independent of time. Means if the time will be changed, in the equilibrium constant does not change, or equilibrium pressure constant or equilibrium concentration constant does not will be changed with the time. Student, clear my point or not? Okay, the second factor is Kc or Kp is independent on initial concentration or initial concentration and pressure. Okay, next one in viscosity, whatever it may be, that is a physical property, some physical properties. Does not depend upon these all type of physical quantities, like where Kp and Kc does not depend upon this type of physical quantities. Okay, students, one more, Kp or Kc remains constant at given temperature, means will be constant, where one more, Kp or Kc is independent on the catalyst. Already you know that, already discussed about that catalyst. Catalyst is cannot affect the equilibrium position. Okay, one more, Kp by Kp or Kc are influenced by only one and only one factor, temperature. In this most important, students, in the temperature, the effect of temperature on equilibrium constant explained by only Arrhenius equation or want of equation, that is where K is equal to A into e power minus delta H by RT, where K is the equilibrium constant, where A is the Arrhenius factor, where small e is the expansion form, where delta H is the enthalpy or heat, where R is the ideal gas constant, where you have taken R is equal to 8.314 is the joules, and in terms of 0.081 is the atmosphere or liter. Okay, where T is the temperature, where is applied to the ln, where ln K is equal to ln A minus delta H by RT. Students, our convenience, K is equal to minus delta H by RT plus ln A. Okay, students, one more point, ln is equal to 2.303 log in terms of log. Ln is equal to, that is the most important, where 2.303 log. Students, our convenience, to write again, .303 log K is equal to 2.3 log A minus delta H by RT, students, where overally log K division with 2.303, I have getting log K is equal to log A minus delta H by 2.303, students, where our convenience to write again, log K is equal to minus delta H by 2.303 RT plus log A. Students, in the equation, above the equation, compare with y is equal to mx plus c, where y is equal to is compare log K, where m is the minus delta H by 2.303 R, that is the m, where x means 1 by t plus c means log A. That is only compare with in algebraic equation y is equal to mx plus c. In the graphical representation is the most important, students, and already in previous question 2014. Okay, have taken log K is taken y axis and 1 by t is taken x axis. That is the endothermic reaction, and both are will be directly proportional. So the graph is only straight line touches on the y axis, that is the downward direction. means that means the direction will be decrease the some log k value. Okay, one more, in the slope is the delta h by 2.303 r, where intercept c is equal to log a. Sir, in this reaction, that is the only endothermic reaction, only the straight line is the downward direction. Okay, students, in the exothermic reaction, only graph draw in between log k and 1 by t. Log k is taken y axis and 1 by t is taken x axis. Where in this one of these straight line observed touch on the y axis, that is always increase the line, that is the straight line always only straight forward. Okay, so that is the only exothermic reaction. Sir, clear my point or not? Okay, students, in the exothermic reaction means that is the only some amount of heat or temperature will be liberated, that is the exothermic reaction. Endothermic means some amount of heat or temperature will be absorbed or required, that can proceed the chemical reaction. That is the endothermic reaction, that is the exothermic reaction. In the endothermic reaction means only straight line, only downward direction touch on the y axis. In the case of graph is the only straight line is the upward direction touch on the y axis. Both are common quantities, both straight line touch on the y axis, no doubt at all. But in the case of endothermic reaction is the downward the straight line, and another more exothermic reaction is the always straight line, always straight line is the upward direction. Okay, students, clear my point or not? Thank you. Okay, sir, good morning once again. Okay, next one is the after factors of the equilibrium constant. Today discuss about very important topic. K means equilibrium constant depend upon the stoichiometric coefficients. That is the most important, sir. Particular reaction, in certain reaction, A2 plus B2 is given rise to 2AB. That is the particular reaction. In this reaction, to write the equilibrium constant K. Sir, according to your knowledge, where equilibrium constant is the only concentration of product 2 by concentration of the reactant. Sir, am I right or wrong? Okay, where in this reaction, in this A2 and B2 act as the reactants and AB act as a product, sir. To write the K is equal to concentration of product, means AB act as a product. To write the square bracket and the coefficients raised on the power, to write on the power. So A concentration AB whole square by, like in the reactant, like that is the one reactant, that is the one reactant. Sir, in the reactant before no coefficient, like only one coefficient is there. So concentration A2 and concentration B2. Sir, clear or not? That is the most important, sir. And one more example, in the second example, of A2 plus of B2 is given rise to AB. Sir, that is the K1 anukuntam, where K1 say K1 is equal to again concentration of product like AB by concentration of A2 whole power 1 by 2 into concentration of B2 whole power 1 by 2. Why? Because also coefficient is the off is there, like 1 by 2. Sir, K1 is equal to concentration of AB by concentration of A2 whole power 1 by 2 and B concentration of B2 whole power 1 by 2, sir. Okay, next one, some of the questions asked to the what is the relation between those two reactions, sir, where K is equal to concentration of AB whole square by concentration of A2 and concentration of B2, sir, where K1 is equal to, sir, concentration of AB by concentration of A2 whole power 1 by 2 into concentration of B2 whole power 1 by 2, sir, where k is equal to k is equal to k1 square, one method, or then otherwise k1 is equal to root over k, where square root of k, that is the second method. Okay, choice is yours. Me only that is asked to the relation between k and k1, sir. Is clear, sir? Okay, one more in the third equation. Derive the 2a2 plus 2b2 is given as to 4ab, sir. Derive the equilibrium constant where some k2 is there, sir. Okay, k2 equals to concentration of ab whole power 4, sir, by concentration of a2 whole square into concentration of b2 whole square, that is the k2, sir, where k2 is equal to k square. Why? Because also a concentration of ab whole power 4 by concentration of a2 whole square into concentration of b2 whole square, sir. In the before a, what is the k, sir? K is equal to concentration of ab whole square by concentration of a2 into concentration of b2, sir. Only relation between k and k2, sir, where k and k is k2 is equal to k square. Sir, clear or not? Where k is there, ab whole square and 1 whole square, an entire square, ab whole power 4 by concentration of a square into concentration of b square, sir. Sir, clear or not? Okay, I have taken one more reaction, sir. 2ab is given as to a2 plus b2, sir. Derive the some one more constant k3 or k4, whatever it may be, where equilibrium constant k is equal to concentration of a2 into concentration of b2 by concentration of ab whole square, sir. Why? Because also ab act as a reactant and a2 and b2 act as a product, sir. According to again your knowledge, concentration of product 2 by concentration of reactant, sir. Clear, sir? Okay, next one more reaction. 4ab is given as to 2a2 plus 2b2, sir, where some more constant there k5, sir, where concentration of a2 whole square into concentration of b2 whole square by, sir, what is the reactant, sir? Concentration of ab whole power 4, sir. Sir, same manner, sir, up to 7th reactions. Okay, one more example is given, sir. For the reaction H2 plus I2 is given as to 2HI, where Kc is supplied 0.25, sir, Kc, and calculate the Kc dash for HI is given as to of H2 plus of I2, sir. So that is the question, to find the Kc dash, sir. And one more, in above the reaction supplied to Kc is 0.25, sir. Sir, to write in this type of problems, to write the Kc for above reaction, sir, where K. Okay, sir, sorry for the disturbance. Sir, in the above reaction, to calculate the Kc, sir, in this reaction H2 and I2 act as the reactant, sir, and HI act as a product, sir. Okay, to write the Kc is equal to concentration of HI whole square by concentration of H2 and concentration of I2, sir, where in the below the reaction to write the Kc dash, sir. Again Kc dash is equal to, in this, of H2 and of I2 act as a product, sir, where H2 whole power 1 by 2 and I2 whole power 1 by 2 by concentration of HI, sir. Sir, clear or not? Sir, first of all, to write the Kc, apply to the Kc this reaction, and in below the reaction to write the Kc dash, sir, according to our knowledge. Why? Because also Kc is the concentration of product 2 by concentration of reactant, sir, no doubt at all. And both two reactions to write the Kc and Kc dash, sir, no doubt at all. Okay, after that. Sir, after that, what happens, sir? In this Kc dash, you know that Kc dash is equal to 1 by Kc whole power 1 by 2, sir. Whole power 1 by 2. Where Kc dash is equal to, sir, already is given Kc is 0.25, sir. 0.25 whole power 1 by 2, sir. Where Kc dash is equal to, sir, in the right convenience 0.25, to write again 1 by 4, sir. Where 1 by 4 whole power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, sir. Where 1 by 2 is the reciprocal to get in 2, sir. Is clear, sir? Okay, same problem based on to write the homework questions is given, sir. Okay, first question is given N2 plus O2 is given as to 2NO. K1 is supplied 25 into 10 power 30, sir. And 2NO Br is given as to 2NO plus Br2. K2 is equal to 1 into 10 power 14. Both K1 and K2 is supplied, sir. For calculate Kc for of N2 plus of O2 plus of Br2 is given as to NOBr. Sir, that is the first question, sir. Homework question. Okay. And sir, second question is the, sir, previous question JEE Mains 2002, sir. The question is N2O4 is given as to 2NO2. Sir, in the concentration is supplied, concentration of N2O4 is 4.8 into 10 power minus 2 mole per liter, and concentration of NO2 is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 mole per liter. Find the Kc, sir. Sir, you know that Kc is equal to concentration of product 2 by concentration of reactant. And same manner to calculate the Kc for problem, sir. Clear, sir? Okay, one more again. Sir, third question in JEE Mains 2012, sir. His question is N2 plus O2 is given as to 2NO, sir. That is the Kc is supplied. Kc is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 4, sir. And one more reaction is NO is given as to of NO2 plus of O2, sir. To find the Kc dash, sir. Again, above problem based on the Kc and Kc dash, sir, relation. Already discussed about that. Okay. Sir, and one more question is, sir. Okay. Sir, fourth question already JEE Mains again 2006, sir. That is one more previous question. Sir, SO3 is given as to SO2 plus of O2, sir. O2. Where Kc is supplied, sir. Kc is equal to 4.9 into 10 power minus 2, sir. 2SO2 plus O2 is given as to 2SO3, sir. To calculate the Kc days for reaction, sir. Okay, only 4 questions is given, sir. Already know 3 questions is previous JEE Mains question, 1 normal regular question. Okay, tomorrow onwards only homework, sir. Okay, everybody is solved. Okay, thank you.